G'day, and welcome to Where to Start with Jenny Brandis. This is number 2 in the series. This is a frame sample that I am working with. These are the enlargements that assist me at this stage, the pricking and the coloured-coded working diagram. The corner is considered to be the standard start point along this line. I am going to start here along this line. Why here? I don't want my joint to be obvious at the corner. But why here in particular? Because it is not the next one down, it's not at the centre, it's off-centre. Pairs will be added along this pin line. It is easier to finish the join in cross stitch, so running along the side of the fan is perfect. Add a temporary pin in for the passives.